Let no man in the world live in delusion. Without a guru, none can cross over to the other shore. Today is the Gurupoornima day. Here we are, students of 9C and 9D, presenting today's assembly. Let us begin the day by seeking the blessings of Almighty.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Bandhusya Sakha Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Gunardo Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadidamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Narviknan Gurumedeva Sarvakareshu Sarvatha.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarubini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhar Baudume Sada.
Tada Vadantam Sharanagatam Swam Samsaradava Nalatapataptam Nirikshya Karunya Rasardra Drishta Dadyadavitim Sahasa Mahatma.
Rashid of class 9C is here with a speech on the significance of Gurupoornima Day. Let's lend our ears to him.
Hello, respected principal, vice principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, on this auspicious day of Gurupoornima, I, Roshit Raj, want to share my thought on Gurupoornima and its importance in our culture. The word Guru is derived from the combination of two Sanskrit words, Gu and Du. Gu means the removal of darkness and Du means someone who removes darkness. Gurupoornima is celebrated in the Hindu calendar month of Ashad on the full moon day and the month of July and August as per the Gregorian calendar. It is also celebrated to mark the birthday of Maharishi Vedavasa, the author of Mahabharata. As on this day, Lord Shiva became the first Guru or the Adi Guru who began the transmission of yoga to the Saptarishis. On this day, Lord Buddha gave his first sermon at Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh in India. This day is also known as Vyasa Purnima. It is celebrated to show our respect and gratitude to our Gurus in accordance with Guru and Shishya Parambara. Now, we as the children, including me, should take this tradition going to the respect and gratitude to our Gurus who teach us. Thank you.
The students of class 9C and D are here to entertain us with a melodious bhajan. Let's hear it.
Shariram surubam tata vakalatram yasascharuchitram dhanam merutulyam Manaschena laknam guroram kripatme tadhakim 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 tadhakim.
Kalatram dhanam putra pautradi sarvam griham bandhava sarvametatti jatam Manaschena laknam guroram kripatme tadhakim 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 tadhakim. शास्त्रविद्यां पठित्वाधिपत्यं सुपत्यं करोति मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपत्ने तदकिं 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 तदकिम् क्षमामण्डले भूपभूपालवृन्दे सदा सेवितं यस्य पादारविन्दम् मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं विदेशेषु मान्या स्वदेशेषु धन्या सदाचारवृत्तेषु मत्तो न चान्या मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं
यशो मेघदं दिक्षु दानप्रताप जगद्वस्तु सर्वं करे यत्प्रसादात् मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपत्ने ततः किं
न भोगे न योगे न वाचिराचो न कान्दामुखे नैव वित्तेषु चित्तम् मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपत्ने ततः किं
अरण्येन वा स्वस्य गेहेन कार्ये न देहे मनो वर्तते मे त्वनद्ये मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं
No celebrations are concluded without a dance. Here we have our friends with a beautiful dance.
Sharon Dev of class 9D is here to propose the vote of thanks.
Hari Om. Gurupoornima, as the name suggests, is the day dedicated to our Gurus. On this auspicious Gurupoornima, I express my sincere thanks to all our teachers for removing the darkness of ignorance from our minds and for showing the light of knowledge. I would like to express gratitude to Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, academic coordinators, and all my loving teachers for their constant support and guidance. My sincere thanks to all parents for their cooperation. I thank all the dear students for their active participation and for the success of this program. Thank you. Hari Om.
We are now ending this assembly with the pledge. Hope you all enjoyed it. Wishing you all a very happy Gurupoornima Day.
We pledge allegiance to the flag of Bharat, under which we stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values within and without us. We live honestly the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords and the devotion to people is the devotion to Supreme Himself. We know our responsibilities give us ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat.